Atlas Stationary Asphalt Batch Mix Plant Capacity 80 to 100 tons per hour. Model M1250 per batch is 1.25 tons.
Installation and erection of batching tower from first deck steel, sturdy ladders, railings, steel sturdy platforms, mixer, filler. Weighing system, an asphalt weighing. Forming of components for aggregate weighing, hot bins, mineral filler hopper, vibrating screen, steel ladders and platforms at the ground level area. Installation of second deck batching tower, vibrating screen, hot bins, sturdy steel ladders and platforms. Going to third deck batching tower. Formation on the ground level of hot aggregate bucket elevator of each components until fourth deck. Fully enclosed unit. The bucket for hot aggregates takes the aggregates from drying drum below to vibrating screen on top of the tower unit.
Baghouse filter unit with a two-stage dry dust collection system. Fully automatic dedusting system incorporating two dedusting devices. Gear and motor for rotor bag filter, Rotomotive India, ensuring freedom from maintaining air compressor, Ingersoll Rand, Indo Air. Pneumatic controls by SMC Japan, India.
Screw conveyor assembly and pre-dust separator collected from the drying drum, vibrating screen, and hot bins before they enter the mixing drum. Provision to recycle the dust back into the tower unit by feeding it at the foot of the elevator. Oversized aggregate separator output.
Conveyor belts and all other gearboxes are made by PBL India. Feeder gear from Inchco, India.
Aggregates are discharged into gathering conveyor belt from MRF or Dunlop make suspended by 4 load cells from Sensotronics, USA.
Filler weigh hopper with screw conveyor. EVA India, with load cell Sensotronics. USA over India.
Assembly of piping lines, for 2 units bitumen tanks, fully insulated for heat protection from all sides, with temperature indicators. Bitumen pipelines are fully jacketed to prevent loss. The thermal oil heater comes with an automatic light oil burner for heating the internal coils. Vertical diesel tank are provided for storage of fuel for drum burner.
All electrical cable wires are buried underground in concrete or gravel bedding, fully covered with sand on top and a metal plate.
Control room with ACU, PLC control panels, HMI and SCADA system. We can troubleshoot your plant through online system even though if we are in India.
Generator set capacity of 250 kVA, plus a 30 kVA generator for the thermic heating system, and electrical cables from the generator set to the control panel will all be provided by the owner. Let's start with the actual asphalt plant operation until the actual asphalt laying from Atlas and Unipave Company, India.
Two units of bitumen tanks, fully insulated and cladded with internal heat transfer coils and temperature level indicator from Parker, United Kingdom, Taiwan. Bitumen pump from Rotofluid, India. Hot oil heater transfer pump from Flowline, India with a fully automatic light oil burner. Control valves, manual tank selection, and a single bitumen delivery pipeline are covered by asbestos for safety precautions.
Built on a rugged structure, frequency control drives regulate the flow of aggregate individually. It can be customized to suit customer requirements. The gathering conveyor belt runs collect all aggregates and transfer them to the scalping screen, then to the drying drum. closed-circuit television CCTV at the asphalt plant should be monitored for surveillance and security at every point of the entire asphalt plant for safety measures and controlling asphalt ingredients. All of these should be provided by the owner, including the lightning arrestor, fully automatic with manual override controls, PLC, programmable logic controller, system with ultra-modern power controls, sequence controls, distribution power controls, automatic burner controls, and temperature indication. Control panels with supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA, systems are used for controlling, monitoring, and analyzing industrial devices and processes with remote access facilities. The maximum per batch is 1.25 tons. The mixer gearbox is from Brevini, Germany via India. All motors are Siemens, over ABB over Havels. Unipave manufactures a paver finisher machine, model ESP05, with a lane capacity of 300 tons per hour. The paving width is 2.5 meters to 5.5 meters, extendable up to 6 meters with bolt-on extensions. The electronic sensor is MOBA Germany, and the machine has dual operator seats. This model are capable to lay. BM is bituminous material. DBM is dense bituminous macadam. GSP is granular subbase. DLC is dry lean concrete. And WM wet mix macadam. All of these are capable to lay for model ESP05 only. Our complete set of paving crew is helping our clients with their asphalt projects. We provide asphalt aid in different areas such as airport runways, expressways, national roads, and barangay roads in many locations in the Philippines. We have delivered asphalt plants and mobile concrete plants to various locations in the Philippines, totaling more than 30 units. We have also delivered many units of asphalt pavers from our partner in India, Unipave Engineering Products. We also provided manpower services for the asphalt laying team and after-sales support for asphalt plants and asphalt pavers in the long term.
Proper turnover and complete commissioning of asphalt batch mix plant model EM 1250. Giving of operational hand manuals, hot oil manual and drum burner manuals. Signing of certificate of completion.
Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiries and questions, don't hesitate to contact us here in the Philippines. Engr.Rommel Baltazar at your service.